5th September 1990 was a memorable milestone in the annals of Don Bosco Matunga, for it provided a long sought after opportunity to pay a homage of gratitude to the great Salesian visionary, the humble, unassuming pioneer of our school, Reverend Father Aurelius Mascio. Father Mascio is indeed a legendary figure, a man who did the impossible at a time when the country suffered from the insecurities caused by war, when finances, nay, even food was scarce and material resources were rationed and released only for major, important projects. Yes, in such circumstances, Father Mascio raised up this prestigious institute from the depths of the marshlands of insignificant Matunga, while the great dignitaries and elite of Bombay saw this place as a filthy scar to the profile of flourishing Bombay. Father Mascio envisioned a mighty center of learning. It was therefore most appropriate that the Computer Center, the ambitious futuristic offshoot of our institute, be dedicated to the man whose futuristic vision raised up this institute to the glory and honor it now enjoys. Hence, it was with a deep sense of gratitude and noble sentiments of pride and loyalty that we witness this unique event of Reverend Father Mascio inaugurating the Father Aurelius Mascio Computer Institute. It was an event that called for joyous celebration, and the school band did justice to the occasion as the strains of its music inspired sentiments of joy and jubilation. This dedication surely inspired Boscoites to aspire to imitate Father Mascio's spirit of dedication, concern for the poor, and zeal to encourage learning and progress in our society. In the remainder of our story, we see the life story of Father Edward D'Souza, past pupil of Don Bosco Matunga in early 1950s, who went on to become a staunch Christian missionary in Assam after having played a major role in reviving the oratory as a young priest at Don Bosco, Panjim, Goa. Also in this episode is the legendary cricketer and the Indian wicketkeeper Farooq Engineer, batch of 1955, who speaks of his glorious years at Don Bosco, Matunga.
Hello, Namaskar. This is Farooq Engineer and all people of Don Bosco High School, Matunga. Some very, very happy memories there. As a childhood, Sashi Kapoor was my best friend at school. Every morning when I used to go from Dada Pass Colony, passing actor lane as we used to call it, I used to whistle. They can't even whistle these days. But Sashi used to come down, we used to go to school together. We were not only in the same class from kindergarten till 10th standard, but we were on the same bench as well. Wonderful memories with Don Bosco. We both failed in 10th standard because Sashi used to go for his acting classes and I used to go for cricket practice. Lovely story when I got my fastest century against the West Indies at Chennai. Father McFarren, who was the principal in Mumbai, or Bombay those days, was the principal in Chennai. And the students told him that Farooq Engineer, can you call him over to the school because we like to felicitate him. And as it so happened, Sashi was also filming in Chennai. So I got a phone call in the hotel saying, this is Father McFarren. Of course, I stood to attention, and are you the same naughty Farooq Engineer that was in Don Bosco, Mumbai? I said, yes, sir, I am the same. He said, do me a favor, can you come to our school tomorrow? The boys want to meet you. I said, be an absolute pleasure. So I called Sashi at his hotel and we both went. And Father McFarren in his speech said that how Don Bosco played a huge part in encouraging me in my cricket. And Sashi in his acting, he had actually failed us both in 10th standard. But Sashi and I smiled at each other. And of course, wonderful day, wonderful evening. And my thanks to Don Bosco for giving us such a wonderful start in life, wonderful education. I believe it's one of the topmost schools. It was always one of the topmost, always one of the best. So for me, Don Bosco, thank you very much. All the students that have later on gone to Don Bosco, and I went to Podar College of Commerce, which was in Dada Matunga area as well. I'm a Dada, simple boy from Dada Pasi Colony. So a big hello. I'm just about to go to a Jeffrey Archer function, that's why I'm dressed in this funny outfit, so forgive me for that. But all the very best to all students of Don Bosco. Have a great time, have a great life, and God bless you all.